Hello and welcome to Yummy Cooking with Payshintz. Today I'm making grilled eggplant pizza, and it's gonna be easy with simple ingredients, healthy, and it's gonna be delicious. So let's get started. I have one whole eggplant here, and I'm gonna cut into round slices that are about 1/2 inch thick, and this is going to be the basis for our mini pizza. Today I'm going to cook the eggplant on the grill. So you'll need about 5 tablespoons of olive oil, and I'm going to brush both sides with olive oil. After that, I'm going to season them both sides with salt and pepper. Now we have our one large chanterelle mushroom, and we're gonna roughly chop it in small pieces and place it to the side. All right, now it's time to put our eggplant on the grill. Wow, that baby's hot. All right, make sure that you oil the grill first and you have it on medium-high heat. And I'm using a rack so the eggplants don't fall through the cracks. So this holds it in place. And then next to our rack, I'm gonna put a cast iron pan. I'm gonna use this later to make our sauce. So I'm heating it up first. It's been 2 minutes, and now it's time to flip our eggplants over so they can cook on the other side. Look how nice and brown they are. Now it's time to add the tomato sauce. I'm using about a teaspoon on each eggplant. Depending how big your eggplant is, you might use more or you might use less, but I'm using a teaspoon. Then I'm gonna add a tablespoon of olive oil in our skillet. Now it's time to add our chanterelle mushrooms to our skillet. And we're gonna cook these for about 2 minutes and just add a pinch of salt. That's all you need. And the flavor that you're gonna get with these chanterelle mushrooms are gonna be like an earthy black pepper flavor. They're delicious. Then I'm gonna add parsley, and that's just gonna really enhance the flavor for our topping on the eggplant. Let's pile up our eggplant with some toppings. Right now I'm using some shredded cheese. I'm using tongs, but I suggest you use your hands because it's taking forever for me to put this cheese on. So if you use your hands, you might get this job done faster. There you go. Once you have your cheese on, I'm going to put our chanterelle mushrooms on the eggplant. And what's really nice about the chanterelle mushrooms is that they have a meaty texture. So it really balances out the eggplant because the eggplant is a little soft. And while all of this is cooking, make sure that your heat is on low. And the last topping that we have here are some nice sweet cherry tomatoes that we have from the garden. And we're gonna put that on top, and it is finished. All right, let's take these off the grill. Gonna slide it to my pan. Okay, now it's time to try our eggplant pizza with chanterelle mushrooms. Wow, look at it, so pretty. Afraid to eat it. Super delicious. So if you want to try a delicious grilled eggplant pizza with chanterelle mushrooms. Please try my recipe. It's fast, simple, and delicious. All right, thank you for watching. See you next time.